Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I'm starting an art project. I have some trash here, just some little pieces of foam. I thought these would be fun to use to cover with paint and to just stamp and make a frame. I'm not sure if I will incorporate that into what I'm doing with this current art project, and we're going to follow through and get the whole thing done so you'll see what it is. I do have some very fun, crinkly plastic. I've got some printer paper. Some of it's got coffee staining. And you know what? This is coffee that I didn't drink. And I don't want to waste it, so I've just been pouring it between the pages, and then it dries pretty nicely overnight. And I don't know if I'll even get to the point today where I need this. Oh, look, it's ending up on that heart too. That's probably good for now. I have some magazines that were part of the huge stack that I got from the dumpster, and I'm looking for bird photos. These little birds are just on the pillow here, but there's a chance that we could use these. It's not exactly what I'm thinking about, but it might work. One of the things I'm sure that I want to use, well, everything is going to be bird themed. And I wanted to make some feathers. I was thinking today about cutting some pieces of cardboard with the lines facing sort of like a feather, and I haven't tried it. I don't know how it's going to work. Oh, that paint must have been upside down. But I want to put some just pretty sort of blues and sea green, maybe some lavender. I'm going to buy some new paints soon. I was really stocked up for a while. But of course, when you play and make art, you go through your supplies. Rinse that out a little bit. It had so much pink in it. I don't want too much. I could probably attach these to something to make a stamp if it turns out good. But I'm also thinking, since it's cardboard, you know, I don't know that it's going to hold up forever, and it could end up, oh, I hope I did that the right way. Oh, that is pretty. And then what do I want to use? Let's get this Sharpie. Looks like a leaf as well. And we could I want to get the brush strokes coming out like that. Oops. Well, we're not going to worry too much. I'm going to cut these out, so if I've messed it up at all. Oh, I think that was really pretty though. But I have to figure out, I'm not sure I need black for the center. Let's just go for some color. Ooh, I love that. think I'm gonna add a little of the lavender in some spots. I still had blue on the brush, so let's just use it. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, I think I could have just done this to start with instead of trying to make a straight line. I want a little water in the brush. But not much. Wow, I love those. They're so beautiful. Let's do another one. Let's use this pretty green. And it seems like maybe the colors will start to blend and sort of build up on top of each other. I didn't lay that very straight. Oh, that's pretty though. I like that. There it is. I didn't want too much, but I needed more than I was taking out. Those are really pretty. We could do all different colors. See, what if we came back and just added a little of that really pretty lavender color? Pretty. So all of this just from these little pieces of cardboard. Those colors are starting to mix. Oh, that's pretty. I didn't mean to pull so much of the blue out there, but I like it. so beautiful. I've been looking through magazines to try to find some bird images, and I haven't really been successful. I may go somewhere like the Dollar Tree or the thrift store and try to get a cheap calendar. I don't want to spend a lot of money on this. The whole point is to use trash. Maybe I will find some in a magazine or a calendar somewhere in here before it's over with. My current magazines they've got gorgeous images in them, but I'm not really finding many birds. Not what I need for the project anyway. And maybe there'll be a good bird book at the thrift store. I wonder if we can fit another one in here. Maybe. You know what I want to add? I want something a little bit yellow. Well, I thought I might be able to do it better by turning the feather, but I'm not so sure about that. I do want to make more, but not right this second. But I don't want to waste all this paint, so I think I'm going to use it to make some frames. It's almost like a gel plate. Do I have room? Like the layers going on. I guess first down is what you're gonna... Well, no, wait a minute. The first down is what's gonna be on top. Oh, that's pretty. So I can cut these out, cut the centers out, and we will have some very interesting creative frames to put around images in the art journal. This is such a beachy color. It reminds me of going to the beach, looking at the water. And the beach house always has pretty decorations and furniture and stuff. Colors like this. Ooh, that looks really pretty. We'll just use it all up. I just don't want to waste any of this. I probably poured out too much for the feathers. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. I may go ahead and publish this video, even though the art project is just barely starting. But I don't feel like that I necessarily have to pack it all into one video. So there's gonna be a lot of crinkly plastic, a lot of birds. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon. Bye for now.